We will see how to show numbers on a number line. Here is a number line. Names are given 0, O, A, B, C, D, E. And numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When points are on a line represents number, then that line is called as number line. On the number line, the numbers 0 to 5 are whole numbers, and the point that represents 0 is called origin. This 0 is said to be origin. Now, in a number line, the numbers become bigger as we move towards the right of the number line, and the number becomes smaller as we move towards the left of the number line. Now let's see how to show the following rational numbers on the number line. These are the rational numbers in the form of P upon Q. Here we have 1 upon 4, 2 upon 4, 4 upon 4, minus 3 upon 4, minus 8 upon 4. Since the denominator is same and it is 4, now we will divide this number line each unit into 4 equal parts. Here you can see from 0 to 1 it is divided into 4 equal parts, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Again from 1 to 2 it is divided into 4 equal parts, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and same for other numbers on the number line, and we will name it A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, and this side will be minus 1, minus 2 and minus 3, and here names will be minus A, minus B, minus C, minus D and so on. Now here you can see A is equals to 1 upon 4. B is equals to 2 upon 4. C will be equals to 3 upon 4 and D will be equals to 4 upon 4. That means 4 upon 4 will come above D. Okay. Now next number is minus 3 upon 4. It is in minus, that it will come on this side. Therefore it is minus A will be minus 1 upon 4, minus B will be minus 2 upon 4 and C will be minus 3 upon 4. So minus 3 upon 4 is C. Now let's see minus 8 upon 4, where it will come. Value of D will be minus 4 upon 4. Value of E will be minus 5 upon 4. F will be minus 6 upon 4. G will be minus 7 upon 4 and H will be minus 8 upon 4. Therefore, value of H will be minus 8 upon 4 on the number line. Now we are going to see comparison of rational numbers. P upon Q and R upon S are two rational numbers. If P upon Q is equals to R upon S, then P into S is equals to R into Q. Conversely, if PS is equals to QR, then P upon Q is equals to R upon S. Order relation of rational numbers. If P upon Q and R upon S are any two rational numbers, with q greater than 0 and s greater than 0, then first, if p upon q is greater than r upon s, then ps is also greater than qr. Second, if p upon q is less than r upon s, then ps will be less than qr. Conversely, if ps is greater than qr, then p upon q will be greater than r upon s. And ps is less than qr, then p upon q will be less than r upon s. Determine by observation which of the numbers in each pair is the bigger one and which is the smaller. First is -5 minus 1. -5 question mark minus 1. Which sign will come in between -5 and -1? A number that is to the right of another number on the number line is greater than that number. That means here -1 is greater than -5. Second question, -3 upon 5 and -5 upon 2. Which will be greater? A positive number is always greater than the negative number. Therefore, 5 upon 2 is greater than -3 upon 5. Or we can write it as -3 upon 5 is less than 5 upon 2. Third, 0, 4 upon 5. Here, a positive number is always greater than 0. That means 4 upon 5 is greater than 0. Fourth, -2 upon 3 and -1 upon 3. For the numbers with the same denominator, the number with greater numerator is greater than the other. Here -1 is greater and -2 is lesser. Therefore, -1 is greater than -2. Therefore, -2 upon 3 is less than -1 upon 3. Equalize the denominators to determine which number is bigger and which number is smaller. Equalize. We have to equalize the denominator. Here you can see the denominators are different. Here is 6 and there is 3. Now I have to equalize this denominator. If I multiply this 3 by 2, we get 6. Therefore, multiplying the numerator and denominator of the second fraction by 2, we get -8 upon 3 equals to -8 into 2 upon 3 into 2. That is -16 upon 6. Then we have -15 upon 6 and -16 upon 6. Now we will compare these two terms, these two rational numbers, -15 upon 6 and -16 upon 6. Which one is greater? -15 is greater than -16. Therefore, -15 upon 6 is greater than -8 upon 3. That is -16 upon 3 only. Okay. Now, there are rules to compare rational numbers. A upon B and C upon D. If A into D is less than B into C, then A upon B is less than C upon D. If A into D is equals to B into C, then A upon B is equal to C upon D. If A into D is greater than B into C, then A upon B is greater than C upon D. Let's take one example. Which is greater rational number, 8 upon 9 or 6 upon 7? Let 8 upon 9 is equals to A upon B and 6 upon 7 is equals to C upon D. Then A into D is equals to 8 into 7 is equals to 56. B into C is equals to 9 into 6 equals to 54. Therefore, we know 56 is greater than 54. Therefore, AD is greater than BC. Therefore, A upon B is greater than C upon D. Here, answer will be 8 upon 9 is greater than 6 upon 7.